Welcome to Heavy Gear Central, your home for the world's most powerful and dangerous machines. Get ready to witness engineering like never before. Nextrencher, the ultimate machine for digging deep with precision. When it comes to building underground infrastructure, speed and accuracy are everything. Traditional digging methods can be slow, messy, and inefficient. That's where the Nextrencher steps in, a machine designed to slice through the earth like a giant chainsaw. Mounted on a specialized tractor, this beast is equipped with a massive spinning mining belt. The design works just like an oversized chainsaw, with cutting teeth that grind through soil and rock. What makes it even more impressive is its adjustability. The belt can be lowered into the ground to dig trenches at significant depths, depending on the project's needs. As it moves forward, the trencher neatly scoops soil to the side, forming a clean, even mound. This creates perfectly cut trenches ideal for laying water pipes, power lines, drainage systems, and other underground foundations. The result? Faster projects, less manual labor, and trenches that are precise and consistent. It's a machine built to make underground work simpler, safer, and much more efficient. Nextrencher proves that when you need to cut through the earth itself, Arge's mobile shredder, the ultimate giant in recycling innovation. This machine isn't just big, it's unstoppable. Imagine a massive, mobile powerhouse designed to tear through old, wrecked, and unusable vehicles with ease. Cars that once ruled the road are fed into its jaws and reduced to fragments within moments. Steel, aluminum, rubber, and plastic are shredded into tiny pieces, creating a neat pile of debris ready for recycling. What sets Arge's apart is more than its raw strength, its mobility. Unlike traditional shredders stuck in one location, Arge's can be transported directly to sites where it's needed most. Whether it's an overcrowded junkyard, a demolition site, or a recycling facility, this shredder brings industrial-scale crushing power right to the action. That means fewer transport costs, quicker cleanups, and a more efficient recycling process. Watching it work is strangely mesmerizing. The crunch of twisted steel and the snap of broken parts is both brutal and satisfying, a reminder that nothing goes to waste. This isn't just destruction, it's transformation. Arge's takes what's broken and useless and turns it into raw material for a cleaner, smarter, and more sustainable future. ERDVARK Engineering, South African innovation built to keep farmlands clean and productive. After a harvest, fields are rarely neat and ready for the next season. Instead, they're littered with decomposing roots, stems, and organic trash that can choke the soil and slow down preparation for new crops. That's where Aardvark's agricultural trash collection machine proves its worth. This powerful implement is designed to sweep through farmland, lifting and removing surface debris while also turning over the top layer of soil. In one pass, it clears out unwanted plant matter from the previous crop cycle, leaving behind fresh, workable land. By removing this organic clutter, farmers prevent diseases, pests, and growth issues that often carry over from season to season. Aardvark engineering shows that farming isn't just about planting and harvesting. It's about everything in between, keeping the land ready to sustain life, season after season. AREGGERAG, a company that has redefined the art of demolition. Not all buildings are created the same, and because of that, not all of them can be taken down in the same way. Some lightweight wooden structures can be flattened in minutes. Others can be safely leveled with controlled explosives. But when a building is built with reinforced concrete and heavy steel, explosives often aren't an option, and that's where specialized machines step in. AREGGERAG brings in their colossal demolition claws, designed for precision and brute force combined. These hydraulic steel jaws bite into walls of concrete, ripping them apart piece by piece. Instead of an uncontrolled blast, the building is dismantled gradually, ensuring complete safety in environments where precision matters most. It's a slow, powerful dance between machine and structure. Every crunch of concrete, every twist of rebar, every collapse of a section shows the sheer strength and control these machines command. The claws don't just destroy, they deconstruct with purpose, reducing once mighty structures into piles of debris that can be recycled and cleared away. AREGGERAG proves that demolition isn't only about tearing things down. It's about doing it smarter, safer, and stronger, paving the way for new possibilities to rise where the old once stood. BETEK, turning raw power into precision cutting. This machine features a massive spinning saw, mounted right onto an excavator boom. Unlike standard tools, this blade isn't for wood. It's built to slice through stone, foundations, and solid concrete with ease. The excavator's strength combined with the saw's sharp edge makes it perfect for preparing construction sites, carving out tough surfaces, or tearing down reinforced structures during demolition. Every rotation throws sparks and dust as the blade digs deeper, cutting through materials that seem impossible to break. It's brutal power, but with surgical precision. From construction to controlled destruction, BETEK's saw proves that even the hardest stone and concrete are no match for the right machine. BETEK's saw proves one thing. No matter how strong the material, the right machine can always break through. HIRDEQUIPMENT, farming power designed to prepare the land for life. Before seeds can be sown, the soil must be broken, loosened, and made ready to nurture crops. That's where HIRDEQUIPMENT's advanced tilling system comes in. Pulled behind a tractor, this machine cuts deep into the earth, transforming hardened ground into fertile fields. The real magic happens at the trailer's rear. Rows of sharp, angled steel wheels, thin and precise, almost like oversized pizza cutters, slice into the soil. Each wheel churns the earth, flipping and breaking it apart, while their angled design ensures maximum contact with the ground. As they cut, they expose the darker, nutrient-rich layers of soil hidden beneath, giving crops the best possible foundation to grow. KEMROC, a precision cutter for excavators that slices through stone like butter. This excavator attachment mounts a high-speed spinning blade designed to cut into stone walls and rock faces. It's compact but brutal. The blade grinds away rigid material cleanly, letting operators carve openings, channels, or recesses without bringing down an entire structure. Engineers use KEMROC when they need controlled removals, embedding structural supports, creating access points, or shaping rock for construction. Because the cutter works from the excavator boom, it reaches tight spots and holds steady while making exact cuts. That control reduces shock to the surrounding structure and keeps nearby areas safe. In some demolition workflows, precise cuts are also used to place charges for controlled dismantling, but KEMROC's primary role is accurate material removal, not explosive work. Its strength lies in predictable, mechanical precision rather than brute force. Watching the blade bite into stone shows a different kind of power, calm, methodical, and surgical. Where sledgehammers and wrecking balls cause chaos, KEMROC gives teams the ability to remove only what's needed and leave the rest intact. KEMROC doesn't just break rock. It shapes it, enabling safer construction, smarter demolitions, and cleaner. FLIEGL AgroCenter, a German hedge trimmer built for heavy-duty roadside work. Overgrown trees, wild shrubs, and stubborn branches can quickly turn into dangerous road hazards. Instead of relying on slow manual labor, this machine clears it all in seconds. Mounted on a tractor, the trimmer uses multiple giant spinning saw blades to slice through anything in its path. The blades are fixed on an adjustable arm, so operators can trim high branches, low hedges, and everything in between with pinpoint accuracy. As it glides along the roadside, it cuts through wood and vegetation like butter. Kronos Forestry, a mower built for the wild, not the backyard. At first glance, it might look like a massive lawnmower. But unlike the one you push around your garden, this beast is mounted on a tractor and designed for heavy-duty forestry work. With immense cutting power, it doesn't just trim grass, it can slice through thick shrubs, dense bushes, and even small trees with ease. The machine works by using high-strength rotating blades, engineered to handle tough vegetation that would overwhelm ordinary mowers. Attached to the tractor, it covers large areas quickly, clearing overgrown landscapes in a fraction of the time it would take with manual labor. Whether it's maintaining open fields, clearing land for farming, or managing forestry growth, Kronos shows its strength in turning wild, untamed spaces into manageable terrain. It's more than a mower, it's a land-clearing powerhouse.